Koholo, Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushai, Ba'ashem Yahushai, Rachachodash. Let the elders that rule well be counted worthy of double honor, especially they who labor in the word and doctrine. To the 12 tribes which are scattered abroad, greeting. What you just witnessed was a swarm of drones autonomously tracking a human through a dense forest. And that's the type of technology we are going up against in this spiritual battle of ours. So anyone thinking we can take on Esau, Edom in a carnal sense is out of their mind. What we just witnessed is rudimentary technology. All right, stuff that can be shown to the public. So the technology that Esau, Edom really does have, this shit that we just witnessed pales compared to that. So let's get the scriptures to understand. So this is 2 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 4. For the weapons of our warfare are not carnal. So already right then and there, you should know we are in a spiritual war. And if you're in war, you need weapons. But our weapons aren't being a 9th degree black belt or being proficient with firearms. Continuing on, but mighty through Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai to the pulling down of strongholds. That's the only way. It lines up with Isaiah 41 and 10. And if you want to jump down to verse 14, we're compared to a worm, thou worm Yaiquab. If it rains and you get a chance to see a worm up close and you watch it for longer than 10 seconds, notice how it has no teeth, no wings. It is totally defenseless. Yet Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai cares for it. We're likened unto a worm because without Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai's protection, we have no defense. Why is Ash proud? Our ultimate and only weapon is Yahweh wa Yahushai. That's it. That's all there is to this. Do you really think your ass is going to escape a swarm of robots when the target is you? The target's going to say, scanning for those without RFID microchip, which is the mark of the beast pertaining to Revelation chapter 13. And when your ass is going to have, what are you going to do? On some Matrix shit, pull out like some pistols out of your trench coat and start going, trading shots with motherfuckers, man. Like, our weapons are not carnal. Look at this. This is Ephesians chapter 6, verse 12. For we wrestle not against flesh and blood. All right. And who created these robots? Flesh and blood. But against principalities, against powers, against the rulers of the darkness of this world. Job 9 and 24. The world is given into the hands of the wicked. Against spiritual wickedness in high places. The ultimate high place is Babylon the Great, man. That's an altar. And what do you do at an altar? You make a sacrifice. That's why that place is going to be destroyed with nuclear destruction. And 2/3 therein of our people shall be cut off. You're going to have heathens that are going to be destroyed in the midst as well. And as well as Edomites. You're going to have Yahushua HaMashiach making his triumphant return while the nukes are being set off. You're going to have chariots firing off the Wapo Zappo. You know what I'm saying? So where in the middle of all that are you going to have time to showcase gun skills or your karate skills that you learned from outside a strip mall? You know what I'm saying? Like, we're fighting against bloodlines, against ways of life ways of wickedness of life that have been in place for centuries. All right, where are you gonna have time to go against these robots when you, let's just say, for example, let's just say you're able to destroy these robots, right? Motherfucking more are gonna be made, and this is just focusing on one aspect of this. Esau Edom has a whole arsenal: radiation technology, sound technology, shit that could give you a heart attack just by them turning up the volume on the shit. It's stories like this that make you really be thankful that Lord wills we're chosen as ambassadors via Halbashim Yeshai, because if we're not, imagine being destroyed by robots, man. You know what I mean? That's not really, that's quite a death, man. And we know that the robots we saw are just in the beta stage. So obviously they'll equip them with weapons, make them faster, stronger. You know how the ropes go. So we got to call upon Yahweh Hashem Rashai with all our heart, all our mind, and all our soul. And we also have to love our neighbor, those that do the will of Yahweh Hashem Rashai in truth and sincerity, as we love ourselves. And Lord wills, we are the elect, and we'll be shielded from all this. All right, so with that, I hope y'all were edified. Shalom.